Be ready. Start. After setting sanitation goals for the country, Indore, which has been bagging the cleanest city tag for 4 years in succession, has set an exemplary standard for wastewater management. Stop. Even as most cities are still struggling to effectively tackle the eyesores of mounds of dirt and waste dotting them, Indore seems to have commendably streamlined its sanitation strategy as a sustainable one. Stop. Replicating this template, the city residents and administrators took on the new challenge with equal gusto and went all guns blazing to become the nation's first water plus city. Stop. Earning this credit under Swachh Sarvekshan 2021 is not a cakewalk, for it entails acting a strict set of criteria. Stop. But Indore has showed that it is doable. Stop. The other cities should learn a trick or two from Indore. Stop. Single-minded and determined efforts to ensure that no dirty or untreated wastewater escapes into any drain, nala or river, as well as the reuse of grey water hold the key. Stop. It calls for the identification of polluting industries and homes /shanties spilling waste directly into water bodies. Stop. Having connected the outfalls of the dwellers living around nalas and drains around 5,000 with drainage pipes and ensuring that the effluents of commercial establishments around 2,000 are treated properly before release, Indore is on the much needed path of freeing its rivers from pollution. Stop. Reusing 30% of wastewater in gardening or construction activities and having clean public toilets linked with sewers are its other laudable achievements. Stop. Only if every town and city emulates Indore will India truly head towards bettering its water quality and consequently the health of its citizens. Stop. With an estimated 70% of freshwater sources contaminated and unpotable, it shamefully ranks among the bottom 3 of 122 countries in this respect. Stop. Only a drastic reduction in the almost 40 million liters of largely untreated wastewater entering the water bodies daily can help reverse the damage. Stop. Every penny of the crores of rupees sanctioned to mitigate the problem must be accounted for and decision makers held responsible for lapses in output. Stop. We cannot afford any more slip-ups. Stop. Lending scientific credence to the warnings of the impending catastrophic global warming in the UN's Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change report released on Monday. Stop.